Hello there, this is Mahbub, and today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change your site language. It's very easy. You have to follow a couple of steps in order to change the language of your site. So I'm going to change my site into Bengali language. You can change that in your own language. You can use the same steps that I'm going to show you. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to log in your WordPress admin panel. Then you have to go the settings, then go to general. Here you will get the options for site language, and here is the drop down. You will get all the available languages in here. So as I am going to translate my site into Bengali language, I need to find the name of that language from this drop down, and here it is. Just select it and simply click the Save Changes button. Once you click the Save Changes button, it will take some time to download all the translated file, and finally we will see the changes in here. If you want to revert back to the default language, which is English, you just click on the English from here and again click on this button, and here it is. It's quite simple. I hope that helps, and if you need further information, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.